Hello, Robert. Hello, Darren. I assume you guys want to know some full deck false shuffles. Okay, I'll show you a couple that I know. You take a breather card. I use a king of hearts usually, face down, and make a face down breather, just like this here. Go to the four corners. Put that on the bottom. Okay. And let's put a king on. We'll put a king of spades on top. Okay. Now, when you do this shuffle, every card won't get mixed at all. It'll be in the exact same order. So what you're gonna do here is cut off a little more than half the deck, run five cards, one, two, three, four, five, and throw. You can square the deck up, talk for a little bit, place the deck down. As you pick it back up again, you're going to feel for that breather. Now it'll be near the top, a little less than half the deck. You can feel it. So you're going to cut it. Now we'll go to the bottom and count five cards again. One, two, three, four, five, and throw. And the deck is in the exact same order. King and king. Okay? Now if you want to do it without the breather, okay, not using the breather card, it's the same thing. Cut about half. One, two, three, four, five. And you're going to throw the rest on top. Just give it a toss. What it does, you get a nice break back here. Okay? There's the king of hearts right there. See it? With your index finger, push up on the king, and then those will all go to the bottom and count five cards again. One, two, three, four, five, and throw. Deck is in the exact same order. Okay? King and king. Okay? Again, I'll do it one more time. Half the deck. One, two, three, four, five, throw. Pick up on a break. One, two, three, four, five, throw. Now another one I like here is this one here. It's a little bit harder to do, but you're gonna pull off. Now I'll do it in fast motion first. It looks like this. Okay, let me do that again. Okay, just like that. Looks like you're throwing cards to the bottom, top, and bottom like that. Okay, and what you're doing here. Now this is a little hard to explain in slow motion, but you're gonna pull up a third, put them to the back, and you're gonna grab those. Those are gonna get stolen back in with your right fingers as you pull this off. Okay, you're gonna throw half the deck on top, on the bottom. Take the stolen cards, place those on top, and these go back to the bottom. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, it takes a little practice, but the cards you're stealing go back to the top. Okay, so remember that. Half to the bottom, top, bottom. And all you do is you're stealing the top ones back again and putting them back on top. So that's what it looks like like that. It looks like just mixing cards, throwing cards to the bottom, top, and bottom like that. Okay, so that takes some more practice. And the other one I like a lot is Richard Turner's. Is you take the deck, you're going to pull up on a third, you're going to take these cards here and in jog about half of them like that, and then the other half go to you're going to out jog like that. So you got two breaks, one at the bottom, one at the top. You're going to pick up both breaks by the thumb. The thumb will pick up this break here, and your middle finger will pick up that break. So a nice separation right there. Okay? And you're just going to drop the top like that. And that keeps that in the exact same order. It looks like this in fast motion. Okay? Like this. Let me do it again. Just like that. So as you're talking, you're just going to throw the cards. Look, you're just doing this here, but you're actually keeping the deck in the exact same order. Like that. So in jog, out jog, pick up both breaks, and do that. So those are ones I kind of know. If you want to do like just keep the top stack intact, one of my favorites is this one here. Let's say you take four aces. You want to keep those on top. Now you can do a jog shuffle. There's three, one more ace here. And I use this in a few of my videos also, but it's very easy to do. Say you got a top stack of say 4 to 8 cards. Now we'll keep the aces on top here. Okay? And you take the face down breather, put that on top. Now what we're going to do here is cut about 10 12 cards. Then just shuffle about 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Doesn't matter as long as it's between, I would say, 7 and 10 cards. You don't have to count to yourself or nothing like that. Do the same thing. Pull off about 10 cards and just shuffle like this here. Now when you place the deck on the table and cut your crimp, you've got the crimp is on the bottom and your 4 aces are on top, your top stock. So a nice easy one to do if I just keep 4 aces on top. And instead of using the jog shuffle of course is where you down jog the first card and then shuffle off, pick up on the down jog, and then do this and throw the rest on top, and your aces are back on top. All right, so those are some of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed them. If there's any questions, just you can give me an email or anything anything, and try to answer for you. So thank you very much. Bye, guys.